can find it on many devices and adapters, but do you know what this sign means? This is a DC or direct current adapter. It converts AC or alternating current that you get from a standard wall outlet into direct current that can be used by a device. This adapter, for instance, allows here to convert alternating electricity delivered by a 110 or 220 volts power outlet into a steady 18 volts that is needed by a laptop. While the voltage provided at the power socket is alternating, the voltage out of this adapter is polarized and delivered through two wires connected to a round barrel connector or plug. One wire provides the positive rail, while the other one provides negative rail. One wire connects to the center or inside of the barrel connector, while the other wire connects to the outside of the barrel connector. But how do you know if the positive or the negative wire connects to the inside or to the outside of the connector? Well, this is where this sign comes into play. The middle section of the sign represents the round barrel connector. The plus and minus signs indicate how everything is connected. Here the minus connects to the outside of the connector, and the plus to the inside. Why is that important to know? If you are using the DC adapter that was provided by your device, you do not have to worry about it. But if you need to find a replacement DC adapter to power a device, the right polarity is definitely something to check before plugging any adapters into your equipment, or you may damage it. This radio, for instance, will work with 4.5 volts, delivered with the plus connected to the outside, and the minus connected to the inside of the plug. So, what does this sign mean? Now you should know.